Bitcoin hovers around $60,000. Ether stays above $3,300. Mantra to tokenize $500 million real estate assets for UAE builder MAG Group. Bitcoin saw Stow slides 15% after $8 million wallet drain attack. Crypto exchange Kraken is considering going nuclear. Pump.fun overtakes Ethereum with $2 million in daily revenue to take #1 position. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Virtual digital assets or VDA markets were trading lower as market participants entered July following an uninspiring second quarter in which BTC was weighed down by billions in sales and negative sentiment among retail traders, while the largest cryptocurrency by market cap was trading below $61,000 crucial levels. Ruchi Sharma joins us to tell us how the global crypto market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 3% at 78,000 points. Interestingly, the first day of the month saw the US-listed ETF record nearly $130 million in inflows, the most since early June after more than $900 million in outflows over the month. Over the last decade, Bitcoin has gained by an average of more than 11% in July, with positive returns in 7 out of the 10 years, data shows. Meanwhile, spot Ether ETFs in the US could see net inflows of $5 billion in the first 6 months, according to crypto exchange Gemini. The flows, when combined with the current Grayscale Ethereum Trust assets under management, give a total AUM for spot Ether ETFs in the US of $13 billion to $15 billion in the first 6 months, the report said. According to the CoinMarketCap 2024 H1 report, meme coins have taken the crypto world by storm, capturing a whopping 22% market share. But here's the surprising twist. Solana-based meme coins are leaving their Ethereum counterparts in the dust. Solana's meme coin ecosystem has skyrocketed an incredible 800% year-to-date, dwarfing the gains of Ethereum-based meme coins. Furthermore, Toncoin has become the most hyped cryptocurrency of the year, with a surge in market capitalization and a surge in its price. This surge is occurring during unsupportive market conditions as the Fear and Greed Index represents neutral sentiments among investors. The global cryptocurrency market cap was at $2.24 trillion mark, decreasing 2.8% in the last 24 hours. The total trading volume increased by 6.6% to $57 billion. In other news, A-Star Network, a multi-chain smart contract network, will burn 350 million ASTR tokens, 5% of its total supply, following a governance vote. The tokens were originally allocated for Polkadot parachain auctions, which were shelved by Polkadot. The 350 million tokens yielded 70 million ASTR in rewards, which will be transferred to the community treasury. Moreover, Pendle's TVL has decreased significantly during the last week, falling more than 40% in a single week from $6.2 billion to $3.7 billion. The pressure from cryptocurrency sell-offs is causing a fall in the broader market as well. The Pendle TVL decrease coincides with the development of several liquid staking markets inside the ecosystem of the DeFi initiative. US top futures traded near the flatline after the S&P 500 closed above 5,500 for the first time. Futures tied to the S&P 500 traded down 0.11%. Dow Jones Industrial Average futures lost 0.11%, while Nasdaq 100 futures were marginally lower. Bitcoin was trading at $60,510, down 3.4%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 3%, trading at $3,350. BNB was down by 2.3% to trade at $565. Solana SL was down 1% and was trading at $146. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $27.7, lower 2.3%. Polygon Matic was trading down by 0.5% to trade at $0.55. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 1.4% at $0.12. Shiba Inu was trading down by 1.5%. Polkadot was down by 1.4% to trade at $6.3. However, Cardano's ADA token was up by 1.5% to trade at $0.41. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.48, up by 0.5%.
Thanks, Ruchi. And now back to the headlines. Mantra Chain will tokenize $500 million worth of assets of the Dubai-based real estate developer MAG Group, the firm said in a press release. Mantra, which is focused on Middle East, will tokenize the assets in multiple tranches. The first tranche will include a residential project, Kethura Reserve, which is being built by MAG in Medan, Dubai. The tranche will also package a $75 million mega mansion at the Ritz-Carlton Residences, Dubai, Creekside development. Investors will earn yield through stablecoins and Mantra's OM token, but they are expected to have received yields of 8% from the stablecoins and be granted additional OM tokens. The Bit&Saw blockchain was temporarily halted early Wednesday as team members detected an attack on several user wallets, with at least one wallet drained of $8 million worth of Project STAO tokens. STAO prices dropped as much as 15% in the aftermath of the attack, but slightly recovered as core members said steps were in place to mitigate further mishaps. Later, co-founder Ala Shabana confirmed on X that the chain was put on safe mode, meaning blocks were getting produced but no transactions were being processed. Blockchain trackers for the Bit&Saw network show that the latest transactions and blocks were processed at or around 23 UTC on Tuesday. Meanwhile, independent security researcher ZachXBT said on his Telegram channel that one user was drained of 32,000 TAO worth $8 million at the time and suspected a private key leakage that led to the attack. Kraken is considering using nuclear energy to power its data centers amidst an expected boom in DeFi and increased demand for its services, the company's chief technical officer Vishnu Patankar said in an interview. Kraken is not looking to build its own reactors but is considering partnering with energy providers that can supply nuclear power with small modular reactors. These reactors can be co-located with data centers and don't have space or weather constraints, according to Patankar. The crypto exchange is looking to secure its energy supply given the massive surge in demand from AI and high-performance computing firms, which is changing the landscape in terms of power stability, Patankar said. Whilst the final decision has not been made yet, Patankar said Kraken was definitely considering nuclear power as an option, as other alternatives such as wind and solar are weather dependent and energy storage also posed a challenge. Celebrity-inspired meme coins spurred a surge in revenue for token launchpad Pump.Fun over the past 24 hours, lifting the protocol's revenue above the Ethereum blockchains for the first time. Pump.Fun racked up $2 million in daily revenue in the time period, tipping Ethereum's $1.91 million and making it the largest revenue generator of any blockchain, according to data on DeFi Llama. Data from Dune Analytics shows that 11,528 tokens were deployed on Monday, bringing the cumulative total up to 1,199,685. Cumulative revenue on the platform has now reached $50.9 million. In March, Pump.Fun was on track to hit $66 million in annual revenue, a figure that is likely to be surpassed before the year is out if current activity continues. And now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on buzzing coins of the day.
Now let us have a look at the buzzing crypto watch list for today and the week ahead. First on the list, we have Ethereum. Ethereum long-term holders have been increasing their share of cryptocurrency supply according to data from market intelligence platform Into the Block. Long-term holders refer to Ethereum investors who bought their Ethereum more than a year ago, and holding onto their coins for longer periods makes them less likely to sell in the market. A chart which tracks the supply of trend since the start of 2024 allowed US to track the total amount held by the hodlers. Ethereum long-term holders hold around 78% of the asset's entire circulating supply, meaning that the majority of the supply is currently locked in the hands of these holders who don't easily sell. Next on the list, we have Pendle. Pendle's TVL has decreased significantly during the last week, falling more than 40% in a single week from $6.2 billion to $3.7 billion. The pressure from cryptocurrency sell-offs is also causing a decline in the broader market, and the decrease in Pendle TVL coincides with the emergence of several liquid staking markets within the DeFi initiatives ecosystem. Among the impacted marketplaces were Ether, Renzo, Puffer, and Swell, and they were the larger pools of tokens that matured for redemption. Pendle's price has also decreased recently. Next on the list, we have Cardano. The The Cardano Foundation and the Crypto Carbon Ratings Institute, also known as CCRI, have released sustainability indicators for the Cardano network, which will comply with the forthcoming markets in crypto assets, also known as MiCA regulation in the European Union. Frederick Gregard, a CEO of the Cardano Foundation, said that developing MiCA-compliant sustainability indicators, the foundation then aims to ensure adherence to upcoming European Union regulations and set a benchmark for the crypto industry. As the crypto market matures and MiCA regulations come into full effect, such efforts will be crucial in building trust with regulators, investors, and users, paving the way for wider adoption of blockchain technology in a sustainable manner. The initiative is a demonstration of how blockchain networks can address ESG concerns, particularly environmental impact, while maintaining transparency and efficiency. Next on the list, we have A-Star Network. A-Star Network, a multi-chain smart contract network, will burn 350 million A-Star tokens, or 5% of its total supply, following a governance vote. Polkadot originally allocated the tokens for its parachain auctions, but later shelved them. The community treasury will receive 70 million A-Star in rewards from the 350 million tokens. Token burn is typically considered a bullish event as it removes potential supply from the market. In the past 24 hours, ASTR has seen a 7% increase, and in March, A-Star Network partnered with Polygon to integrate the Layer 1 blockchain's AG layer, providing unified liquidity. Next on the list, we have TONCoin. TONCoin has become the most hyped cryptocurrency of the year, with a surge in market capitalization and a surge in its price. The TON price was $2.3 at the start of the year and now has reached $8.03, which is 2.5% away from its all-time high target of $8.24. This surge is occurring during unsupportive market conditions, as the Fear and Greed Index represents neutral sentiments among investors. TONCoin was previously ranked 9th on the CoinMarketCap based on its market cap, but its market cap has surged to $19 billion, overtaking DogeCoin in the market position. The current value of the TON price is due to 5% gains in the last 24 hours. The decline in Bitcoin dominance from 54.4% to 53.4% has seen a significant surge in the market.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.freeversetv.io or scan the QR code.